Early lead is taken by Tatara on the outside. Is Don Eduardo's best and Queen Cuba by the rail and Diamond Dane. And heading for the backstretch, it's Queen Cuba in the lead, followed by Don Eduardo's best in second. Running in third is Diamond Dane. Tatara, Lucky Find on the outside. Entry number 5, Quattro Supra. And Pill's Game is bringing up the rear. Into the backstretch, they travel entry number 1, Queen Cuba leading the field by 4.5 lengths, followed by Don Eduardo's best in second, and closing in third is Diamond Dane. And running in fourth by 3.5 lengths is entry number 3, Tatara, Lucky Find on the outside, Quattro Supra and Pill's Game. Nearing the far turn, it is still Queen Cuba by 3.5 lengths, followed by entry number 5, Don Eduardo's best, and Diamond Dane remains in third, Tatara remains in fourth, and Lucky Pine closing in fifth. Rounding the far turn, Queen Cuba, and closing in second is Don Eduardo's best, and moving up down the outside is Diamond Dane, Tatara, Lucky Pine, and Quattro Supra. It is still Queen Cuba in the lead. It's Queen Cuba followed by Don Eduardo's best on the outside, Diamond Dane, Tatara, Lucky Pine moving up on the farther outside. And into the home stretch, it is still Queen Cuba in the lead. It's Queen Cuba in the lead, Don Eduardo's best, and Lucky Fine now moving up on the farther outside, but it's still Queen Cuba by the rail. It's Queen Cuba moving up on the outside, Lucky Fine in between horses, Don Eduardo's best, and nearing the payoff line is entry number 6, Lucky Fine and Queen Cuba, and finally it's Lucky Fine, Queen Cuba, Don Eduardo's best, Quattro Supra, Diamond Dane,